She's a riot.
I want to try this one. What do you want to try? Take the orange one. Oh, this is the Riot X. Cool. I didn't even know. It definitely feels a little, you certainly notice the difference compared to the trail sled, but it's not bad. First impression, it's not as tippy as I thought it would be. We'll see what I get on the trail going here. Set up, there's way too much ski pressure for me at my liking.
Glad to have you along for the ride. If you enjoy the content on this channel, share it with your buds. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you do not miss anything.
Appreciate it. I didn't even know it was the X till I got on it.
Really? Yeah.
That's different.
Is it? Yeah.
But
I can feel it a little bit on that one. You know, I can feel a little bit more inside.
So especially if you get some inside ski lift, with the rail, it really throws you. Like, it's fun though.
It'll be interesting.
Yeah. So
You got a preference on it?
Yeah. Well, that's a 6. Yeah. That's the 8. Well, I have a 6. So.
Yeah, whatever one you want. I'm good wherever.
I'll try the 8 again. I gotta get used to the 8 a bit. So this is the regular Riot. like the regular Riot better. The front end, I mean, you get used to riding the X on trail to get off trail, but on trail, this is so much more fun.
How was it?
So I'll tell you, I tried the Riot X. I come from 129.
Yep.
I have a 600, which is great. Definitely going longer. It's, do I go with this or this? But it was nice. I felt the X felt really good, like pretty good. It all had a lot of ski pressure depending on how it was set up, and it was a little tippy when you got some inside ski lift. It really wanted to roll on you with the track, like it because that's what it wants to do, right? Yeah, exactly. So I mean, if I got used to it, I could trail ride it pretty good. But then I got on this, and like I could just, it's just like being on my other sled. But
Game changer.
yeah, but it's like that.
I'm a 129 guy, came off a 129 RR.
But the bumps are so much better. Like I've been getting pounded, and I just figured out
my RR and bought a 20.
I'm getting like, and the front ends, I like it. I've talked to a few people like that have been rode a lot, and I go, how do you like the front end? They're like, it just makes enough. Like I felt really good.
A lot of guys.
You go ahead of me. Well, that was entertaining. That was entertaining. Dude, that 2-inch track throws up a ton. Oh my god.
What?
That's 2-inch track, so it's thick, right? It throws so much crap. When we took off,
Yeah.
the first time there, I had this up and I was trying to talk, and then you hit it and it was so, it just covered me, and I was like, ah, get my bicycle. So you see the difference of that, eh?
Yeah.